Hi Samantha, thank you so much for ordering, and now let's pack your order. You ordered a prep kit, a KDS nail glue, our butterfly cemetery set, and our Xmas knobby set. Here is the Xmas knobby set, and here's the butterfly cemetery set. I then went ahead and grabbed our baby pink bubble mailer, and since you ordered 2 sets of our nails, you get 2 of our prepping kits, and you ordered 1 extra, so there's 3. I also grabbed the extra KDS nail glue you ordered. Then I grabbed my thank you card and my business card. I then assembled everything together, and I hope this order arrives to you safely. Thank you again for your order. Hi everyone, today we're packing another order. This customer ordered our baby pink knobby set in medium coffin small. I went ahead and grabbed my baby pink bubble mailer as well as the box to put the nails in. Then I grabbed a prepping kit, our thank you card as well as our business card. Here are the nails. Then once I grabbed everything, I assembled the package. I hope this order arrives to you safely. Thank you again for your order. Guys, come watch me pack an order. First, of course, I'm gonna grab my baby pink bubble mailer and my boxes. And then I'm gonna grab my thank you card and my business card. This customer ordered 1 solid color and 1 witch set. I make sure to highlight every product and leave a little thank you note. Here are the nails. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab our prep kit, which is included in every press-on nail order. Thank you again, Alyssa, for your order. I hope this package arrives to you safely. And guys, we're officially only 1 day away from my relaunch. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. Have a great day. Hi everyone, today we're packing another order all the way from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and grab my pink bubble mailer and the boxes for our nails. Since this customer ordered 2 sets of nails, she gets 2 of our prepping kit. She ordered the icy set and a peachy set. And here are the nails. This one is the icy set and this one is the peachy set. Finally, I went ahead and grabbed my thank you card as well as my business card. I assembled everything together, put them in my bubble mailer, and that's it. I hope this package arrives to you safely. Thank you again for your order. Hi everyone, today we're packing an order for someone who wants to remain anonymous, so let's get to it. She ordered our berry hibiscus lip gloss, crybaby and lashes, and a clear lash liner glue. I went ahead and grabbed my pink bubble mailer, and then grabbed the berry hibiscus lip gloss, and the box for the lip gloss. I also grabbed the lashes in style Crybaby. Then I grabbed a clear lash liner diamond pen. Finally, I grabbed my business card and my thank you card. Thank you again for your orders, everyone. I hope this package arrives to this customer safely, and I hope everyone had a great day. Hi Avery, thank you for ordering. Now let's pack your order. You ordered our Carol set in a medium coffin size medium. Once I grabbed my baby pink bubble mailer, I also grabbed the boxes that the nails will go in. I then grabbed the prepping kit that's included in all of our nail sets. Here are the nails. Oh, and don't forget to grab my thank you card and my business card. Thank you again for ordering. I hope this package arrives to you safely, and I hope everyone has a great day.
Aesthetic, if you want it, you get it,
Hi everyone, let's pack another order. This customer ordered our New Year's Eve set. I went ahead and grabbed the box the nails goes in. Then I grabbed my baby pink bubble mailer, our business card, as well as our thank you card. Then I grabbed one prep kit. Here are the nails. And finally, I assembled everything together. I hope this package arrives to you safely. Thank you again for your continuous support, and I hope everyone has a great day. Today was such a thankful day because I got to pack my first international order. I first, of course, sanitized my working space, then grabbed my bubble mailer and my boxes. I also grabbed my prep kit. She ordered a custom butterfly set in the color yellow, but when I first started making it, I accidentally made a blue one, and I decided to give the blue one for her for free since she is my first international customer, and I'm so grateful. I then wrote her name down on my thank you card, and it was time to pack everything up. Thank you again, Elaine, for your order. I hope this package arrives to you safely. thank you so much for ordering. Now let's pack your order. You ordered our 24/7 waterproof liner, our lashes in style Boss Babe and Natural Babe. I first grabbed our 24/7 waterproof eyeliner, and then I grabbed the lashes in the styles she ordered, Boss Babe and Natural Babe. I then grabbed my business card and my thank you card. And finally, I grabbed one of our small pink bubble mailer. I then assembled everything together, and it's all set to go. Thank you again for ordering. Pack an order with me. First, of course, I'm gonna grab my baby pink bubble mailer. This customer ordered 5 on my 2-in-1 eyeliner and lash glue diamond pen. And I was so happy for this order because this month has been a little slow. I'm finally moving from Etsy to Shopify on December 1st, and I can't wait to launch more new products for you guys. I also upgraded my thank you card as well as my business cards. Thank you again, Mattia, for your order. I hope this package arrives to you safely. By the way, if you guys subscribe to my newsletter before December 1st, you will receive a $5 off coupon on launch day. The link is in my bio labeled as coming soon. Have a great day, guys. Hi everyone, today I'm packing an order for Miss Rachel. She ordered our Baddie on the Go bundle, and I want to show everyone all of the products you get when you order this bundle from us. I first went ahead and grabbed our 2-in-1 eyeliner lash glue diamond pen. She wanted it in the color black. I then grabbed our 24/7 waterproof eyeliner, also in the color black. You get 2 lashes in this bundle, one in the style of your choosing, which she chose Natural Babe, and then I chose Boss Babe as the random lash for her. You also get 2 lip glosses in this bundle. The first one is our My Nichi lip gloss, and the second one is our Tropical Kiss lip gloss. And finally, you also get a random mini lip scrub. So yeah, this is everything you get when you order our Baddie on the Go bundle. I hope you like it. Hi everyone, come pack an order with me. This person ordered a My Nichi lip gloss, a Nora Nabi set in medium coffin, and a vanilla bean lip scrub. I went ahead and grabbed our boxes and then our bubble mailer. I then went ahead and grabbed our business card as well as our thank you card. I wrote her name down on the thank you card. Grabbed a prep kit. Grab the Vanilla Bean lip scrub as well as our My Niche lip gloss. By the way, here are the nails. This is our Nora Nabi set. Once I got everything packed up, I put a thank you sticker and it's ready to go.